Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. Today I'm excited to share a useful trick on how to convert text to tables in Microsoft Word. Converting text to tables is like transforming words into organized data. To do this, highlight the text you want to convert. Go to the Insert tab and click Table, then select Convert Text to Table. So convert the text table window will prompt on your end and you have to input the number of columns that you want. So for me, um, I will choose a 5 for example, and then choose fixed column width and then auto and separate text at let's choose tabs and click OK. We have an additional column where we can input another data. So after choosing the number of columns, set the table size, and even adjust the spacing, it's like turning chaos into order with a few simple clicks. And that's it. You've learned how to convert text to tables in Microsoft Word. It's like having a superpower for organizing information. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to convert text to tables in Microsoft Word. See you on my next video. Before we say goodbye, remember this: just as you convert text to tables, find ways to convert challenges into opportunities in your life. Microsoft Word's formatting power is a reminder that a little structure can go a long way in creating a smooth path. So keep organizing, keep simplifying, and watch how your journey unfolds. Until next time, take care and keep converting your path to success.